Hello friends, welcome to this channel. This is Arun Kumar and this is our channel Chemistry Crafters with Banu. Today we are going to prepare thick liquid detergent without using any thickening materials. Of course it is economy. For me to prepare 1.5 liters of thick liquid detergent, the manufacturing cost is 75 rupees. I mean 50 rupees per liter. I have purchased all the raw materials in a retail basis. This is the price list. Suppose if we purchase all the raw materials in wholesale manner, the manufacturing cost for 1 liter will be from 30 to 35 rupees. So it is economy formula. Let us get into the making video.
I have taken all the materials to prepare 1.5 liters of liquid detergent. With this same material, same quantity, we can prepare either 1.5 liter or 1 liter liquid detergent. In case of 1.5 liter liquid detergent, it is thick consistency. In case of 1 liter liquid detergent, it is normal consistency. Yes friends, I am telling correctly. There is mechanism for this type of thickness. We will discuss in later. I have taken some pH papers also. Now I am arranging all the raw materials as per the sequence in which I am going to utilize. I am taking one big plastic vessel. This is 4 or 5 liters capacity. To prepare 1.5 liter liquid detergent, 3 liters capacity vessel is not sufficient. So I am taking little more bigger vessel. Let us start the process. In this plastic vessel, at first I am charging 700 ml of RO water so that I will get 1.5 liter of thick liquid detergent. Here, if I charge 250 ml of RO water, then I will get around 1 liter liquid detergent with normal consistency. Then I am charging acid slurry. In PDF procedure, I have given the full details. What is the material, what is the quantity, how to prepare all those things. Simultaneously, I am charging Costol because in case of Costol, many numbers grades are available. Why Costol is acidic pH? If Costol is acidic pH, then this is the place where we have to charge Costol. After charging the Costol, I am mixing well. Then we need to neutralize with lye solution. I have prepared lye solution as per the quantity mentioned in procedure, but I am not going to charge all lye solution. The point is, I have to charge lye solution little by little and I have to stop the lye addition at the pH of 7 to 8. This is very important step. It may take some time even though we need to do it correctly. Again I am telling you, here the amount of lye addition is not important. The important thing is exactly at pH 7 to 8 we should stop the lye addition. Then I am adding SLS powder. This is dusty particles. While adding SLS powder, we have to wear mask and goggles. Then I am charging Texaphone paste. Texaphone paste is nothing but 70% SLES, that's all. Now the volume is getting increased. I feel little hot to stir, but this is the reality because we are expecting thick liquid detergent. So this is expected thing. Then I am adding CAPB and stirring well. Then I am adding perfume. Here we can add the perfume, nothing wrong. There are 2 plus points. Our stirring becomes easy and also will get more perfume smell in product. Then I am charging sodium sulfate solution. Here the problem is I have purchased commercial grade sodium sulfate I have dissolved half an hour before. It is not completely dissolved in water. Nearly 1% or 2% impurities are not getting dissolved. So I am going to add through this tea filter. It is not 100% effective method, but to some extent it is okay. After the addition of sodium sulfate, even with blender, I feel little hot to stir. Next, I am going to add mixer. This mixer contains builders and optical brightener. Builders like STPP, full name is sodium tripolyphosphate, sodium carbonate, washing soda, borax, and tinopol. I have taken the prescribed quantity in prescribed amount of water and I made it as solution. But again the problem is I am using commercial grade materials, so I am not getting clear and a transparent solution. There are some settlement at the bottom. Almost 98% dissolved, 1% 2% is not getting dissolved, making turbid. So I am going to filter, and if necessary I will discard last few ml of the mixer. Then I am adding enzymes. It is economy formula, so those who cannot afford enzymes, the cost of enzymes, can use hydrogen peroxide. But hydrogen peroxide should not be added in this stage. You have to add the hydrogen peroxide as a final material just before the preservative. Then I am charging color solution. This is Ramar blue or ocean blue color. I am charging very little amount of color solution. We will discuss later why I am taking little amount. Each and every addition we have to mix it properly, thoroughly. With manual blending we cannot supposed to get thick liquid detergent. Now I am going to charge preservative. For this chemistry, for this composition, the better preservative is combination of sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate. But as usual, I am going to charge phenoxyethanol only. I have prepared one liquid detergent by using phenoxyethanol preservative. 2-3 months back I prepared it. Still the quality and other parameters are good. So I am using as usual phenoxyethanol only. Now we will allow to settle for 24 hours. Now 24 hours over. Now we will check its clarity and thickness. Almost settled. Only some foamings are there. Very good thickness. Now we will transfer the liquid detergent into one 2 liter measuring jar so that we can check its yield. Now we can observe the thickness, and also I am feeling the smell of the liquid detergent. It's good actually. The yield is 1.5 liters. This is what we have expected. Now again I will transfer the liquid detergent in one glass beaker. We can observe its thickness. This is the thickness of after 24 hours of preparation. The thickness will improve after 1 week or after 1 month. Here we will discuss one important thing, the color. I have added Ramar blue color to my liquid detergent, but for my materials, raw materials, for my perfumes what I have used, I got green color liquid detergent as per color theory. But it is possible for me to convert this green color liquid detergent into blue color liquid detergent. Let us take some amount of liquid detergent in 4 different beakers. In first beaker I am keeping as such. I am not adding any extra material. In case of second, third and fourth beakers, I am adding some amount of extra detergent violet color. Approximately in second beaker 0.2 ml, and in third beaker 0.4 ml, and in fourth beaker 0.6 ml of detergent violet color solution. Now I am getting the color changes. In case of a second beaker I am getting slightly blue color. In third beaker the blue color is clearly visible, and in fourth beaker it is a little dark blue color.
So here see, from green to dark blue color, any color is possible just by addition of detergent violet color. Of course, this is based on the what color you are using and what color you are extra adding, so many factors, but this is the concept. And one more thing, previously during the color addition yesterday, we have added little amount of color only, because if we added extra amount of color means then we will get dark green color, then it is not possible to change this type of color. Anyhow, this is only for trial purpose only, lab trial batch only. In case of regular preparation, you should not add extra color solution after the preparation of liquid detergent. You have to decide what is the color or what is the combination of color you are going to use, and you have to use during the manufacturing process of liquid detergent. More or less, the color of all the branded liquid detergent will be within the any one of these four colors. So we can change the color as per our choice, but we have to do the homework based on our raw materials. We will compare our liquid detergent with Ujala. Ujala's color falls in between third and fourth beaker, I think so. Let us check the pH. Our pH is 8 to 9. Of course, this pH is okay. For premium quality liquid detergent, the pH will be, advisable pH will be 7 to 8. This is economic quality. We are using less amount of materials. So, in order to get good performance, good washing performance, we need to maintain higher pH. So, we are maintaining pH as 8 to 9. Of course, 8 to 9 pH is nothing wrong, it is okay. Again, in case of Ujala liquid detergent is around 8. Here one more thing we would like to discuss, the clarity and transparency. In case of Ujala, it is 100% clear and transparent, more like glassy look. In case of our liquid detergent, it is little lacking. Maybe we are getting the transparency and clarity 70% or 80% or even 90%, not 100%. This is because of the raw materials what we have used in our making process, especially that sodium sulfate and builders. So after the dissolution of these materials in water, we are not getting clear and transparent solution, we are getting turbid solution. So this is the reason for this difference. Instead of commercial grade, if we are using technical grade or industrial grade means we will get 100% clear transparent liquid detergent.